Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm going to use my 26-inch Weber performer that I built, and we're going to do up some chicken breasts. So sorry about the sun there. Let's get this grill uncovered and get this charcoal going, get this cook started. For these chicken breasts, I've already rinsed them off and patted them dry with a paper towel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my meat jacquard, and basically what this does is just go in and it pokes a bunch of holes into the meat. So we're just going to bring it along. We're going to jacquard or put little holes in this meat. It's really not going all the way through. It's just cutting into it, getting both sides. Like so. And then we'll put this in a plastic baggie. Alright, got one done. I got a couple more to do up real quick. The next thing I want to do here is actually want to season these up a bit. So I'll take them back out of the bag. Okay. I'll set that one down there. What I got is just some grunt style grunt rub code 3 spices, garlic. So we'll just sprinkle some of this on the chicken breast. Now we'll get this chicken back in the baggie. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some Italian dressing and we're going to put this whole bottle in here. And then we'll set this back in the fridge. And like every hour we'll come out and we'll rotate it so it gets absorbing into those chicken breasts. For our maple syrup glaze, maple flavored glaze, you need a 1/4 cup chicken broth. You need a teaspoon of minced garlic, something like that. That down in. Then a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of lime juice, and because I'm doing a double batch, I'm actually going to double this. So I'm going to come back with a 1/4 cup of chicken broth, a little more minced garlic, another tablespoon of soy sauce, and another tablespoon of lime juice. Then we need, because we're doubling this, we need a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and that's double. So what we'll do is we'll get this on the hot grill, kind of stir it up and bring it up to a boil. All right, we'll let this coals come up to temp, and we'll go and get the chicken prepared. Bring it on out here and get her on the grill. Shouldn't take that long. Stay tuned. Okay, I moved over here in the shade because that sun is going right down and it's shining right in there. Anyhow, so I've got the grill grates on there, sprayed them down with some vegetable oil. We'll let them come up to temp. Got my glaze going. It's going to take a little while to get up to temp. We want to get it to a boil and then get it all stirred up. And the chicken, probably looking about 5 minutes per side. To get them done, we're going to do them up on the grill grates. So, okay, here's our chicken breast. I've taken them out of the marinade. We're going to get these out there on the grill. While this is cooking, we'll get another side dish going. Okay, so I added a little bit of cornstarch and a little bit of cold water to that to kind of thicken it up a little bit. The chicken is just about done. It's taken about 15 minutes per side. These were rather thick breast. The glaze, oh man, I'm telling you right now, this smell is crazy good. The glaze is done, so I'm gonna get it in the house and let it just sit on the stovetop. And then once these chickens get up to 175, I'm gonna pull them. Right now they're about 160, so just a few more minutes and they'll be golden. So we're almost there, folks. Stick around. All right, here's our boneless, skinless chicken breast that we had marinating in that Italian zesty dressing. And then we made our maple glaze. Let's put that over it. Pour a little bit this on here. Okay, let's just try a little bite of this. See what our breast looks like. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Got ourselves a little bite here. Sop up some of this maple glaze. All right, let's take a bite. Oh, that is awesome. Oh yeah. Man, that's crazy good. That is perfectly cooked. Cheers. Okay, so you saw what I did there. I just jacquard those boneless chicken breast, boneless skinless chicken breasts, and then I just took some code 3 spice, garlic herb, put that on the chicken. Then I put them in a bag with a full jar of Italian zesty dressing. Left it in the fridge for probably 8 hours. Kind of rotated a few times throughout the day. Started the grill, used the grill grates. Made that maple glaze. I'll have the ingredients down below. And then brought it up to a boil, add a little bit of cornstarch and water to kind of thicken it up a little bit. And then kept flipping the chicken until they were done. It took about 15 minutes per side. It was about 35 minutes to get them up to temp. Wrapped them with foil, sat them there, and let them rest for a bit. Now I've poured the glaze on top of it. And I'm telling you, this is so good. It's delicious. We're gonna eat well tonight. You know, like I always say though, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends, grill on.